Welcome to our cozy English corner again.
Always nice to be back. You sound cheerful today. New tea flavor?
Maybe. Or maybe I just slept more than 5 hours for once.
That'll do it. So what are we talking about today? Something cozy, I hope?
Definitely cozy. Today, we're talking about family. How to talk about your family in English and, all the funny and emotional bits that come with it.
Family. The people who know every embarrassing story about you.
Exactly. I feel like when you talk about your family, you instantly sound more human, like you open a little window into your world.
Nicely said. And for learners, it's such an everyday topic. You'll talk about family in small talk, in class, at work, everywhere.
Right. So let's make it sound natural, not textbook-like.
Before we start, if you enjoy natural English conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us keep creating for you.
Thank you. Now, George, tell me, how would you introduce your family if someone asked?
Well, I usually say something like, I come from a big family, 2 sisters and a brother. I come from a big family.
Oh, you have 3 siblings. That explains why you're so calm. You probably learned patience early.
Yeah, you learn to wait your turn for everything. Bathroom, TV, even dessert.
I love that. I usually say, I come from a small family, just my parents and my brother. I come from a small family.
So you're the youngest, right? For English learners, it's really useful to describe your position, like, I'm the oldest, I'm the middle child, or I'm an only child.
Yeah, and only child isn't a bad thing. Some people think it means lonely, but not necessarily.
Exactly. You can say, I'm an only child, but I have lots of cousins. That softens it.
Good point. And when you talk about your parents, you can say things like, my mom's a teacher, or my dad works in marketing.
Yes, just keep it simple. No need for long job titles.
Unless your dad's a senior executive director of quantum something.
Then maybe just say, he's in science.
Perfect. It's also nice to mention family traditions, like we have dinner together every Sunday.
We have dinner together every Sunday.
My family used to do Sunday breakfasts. Pancakes, tea, and everyone half asleep.
I love that image. My family's thing was Saturday movie nights. Popcorn, arguing over what to watch.
Let me guess, you always lost the vote.
Let's just say democracy isn't easy.
Smiles. These little routines say so much about a family. They're not fancy, but they're real.
Yeah, when I moved away, those were the things I missed most. Not the food, just the feeling of everyone together.
Same here. That's why I call my mom every Sunday. We stay in touch.
Good daughter points for you.
She still asks, are you eating properly? Every time.
The international parent question.
Or do you have enough warm clothes? Do you have enough warm clothes?
I think that line exists in every language.
Yeah, it's how parents say I love you without actually saying it.
So, when describing family members, you can talk about personality too.
Yes, like my mom's very caring or my dad's quite strict. She's very caring. He's quite strict.
I'd add, my brother's always joking around. He's always joking around.
That's my brother. He can make my mom laugh even when she's angry.
That's a real skill. In my family, humor is our defense mechanism.
Same. When something goes wrong, we just start laughing. Maybe that's why we get along so well.
Speaking of that, get along is such a useful expression. It means you have a good relationship. Not perfect, but peaceful.
we get along.
Right. You can say, we're really close. We're really close. Or we don't always agree, but we get along.
That's realistic. Families aren't picture perfect.
No, but they're still home, in a way.
You can also mention extended family. Aunts, uncles, cousins.
Yeah, like, I've got a big extended family. I've got a big extended family.
I tried to count my cousins once. I stopped at 15.
That's not a family, that's a football team.
Exactly. Holidays were loud.
You probably needed a vacation after Christmas.
I still do.
What about when you introduce family members to someone?
You can say, this is my wife, or these are my parents.
Or the mysterious classic, this is my friend.
Ah, yes, the universal don't ask too many questions word.
Exactly. Works in every culture.
I think the best way to talk about your family is to tell small stories.
Right. Like, my dad taught me how to ride a bike, or my sister helped me move last year.
Those details make your English sound natural and emotional.
Yeah, because it's not just information, it's your life.
That's what makes language beautiful.
How would you describe your family in a few sentences?
My family's big, noisy, and funny. We argue a lot, but we always make up.
I like that. Real and loving.
Your turn.
My family's small but close. We love cooking together, and my brother's the funny one.
Sounds like a good dinner party.
You know, describing your family can also show different tenses.
Yes, like I grew up in a big family, or we used to live together.
Or, I've always been close to my mom. I've always been close to my mom.
Or, my grandparents lived with us when I was a kid. My grandparents lived with us.
That one's lovely. Grandparents are such a warm topic to talk about.
Yeah, my grandmother was the storyteller in our family. She could turn doing laundry into a dramatic saga.
I love that. My grandma was the same. She'd tell the same story 20 times, and somehow we'd still listen.
That's family magic right there.
Yeah. It's funny how you remember small things. The smell of their kitchen, their favorite song.
That's what makes those stories powerful.
How do you say if someone's married or not?
You can say, I'm married, or I'm single, or I'm engaged. I'm married, or I'm engaged.
Or I've got a partner, if you don't want to be too specific.
Exactly. And for kids, you can say, I've got 2 children, or I've got a son and a daughter. I've got 2 children.
Do you rehearse these lines, George? You sound suspiciously smooth.
Occupational habit, I guess.
You know what's beautiful? Family vocabulary is emotional, but also universal. Everyone can relate.
True. Even if your life looks different, the feelings are the same. Love, pride, sometimes frustration.
And English has so many gentle ways to show that, like we're really close, or we get along most of the time.
Or, we don't see each other often, but we stay in touch. We don't see each other often, but we stay in touch.
Yeah. That one feels so modern. Everyone's busy, families live far apart.
But it's still connection. Even a short message counts.
I think people sometimes feel shy talking about family, especially in another language.
Yeah, maybe they worry about grammar or sounding too emotional. But honestly, emotion makes it more real.
Exactly. You can say things like, my mom's amazing, or my dad's my hero, or even my sister drives me crazy.
The last one's the most authentic.
True. Love and chaos. That's the recipe.
You know what else learners sometimes forget? The little connectors. And, but, though. They make your story sound smoother.
Right. Like, We argue sometimes, but we always make up. Or, my dad's strict, though he's really kind inside.
Perfect example. Sounds like something from a family movie.
Maybe I'll write one day.
Curious, what's one thing your family always says? Like a phrase you've heard 1,000 times.
Grinning, eat something. Every situation. Sad, eat. Happy, eat. Bored, eat.
Classic. Mine was don't waste electricity. Every light in the house had to be off.
That's such a dad thing to say.
It's like a universal father instinct. Save energy, save the world.
Or maybe just save the bill.
Talking about family makes me feel nostalgic.
Yeah. You start remembering people's voices, little jokes.
Family isn't just people, it's a whole language you grow up speaking.
True. And when you describe it in English, you're kind of translating your heart.
Nicely put.
So if you're listening to this, think about how you would describe your family. What makes them unique? What traditions? What personalities?
And remember, there's no right or wrong. Just be honest and warm. That's what makes your English sound alive.
What about you? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Before we finish, let's review some expressions from today. I come from a small family. We get along. She's very caring. I'm an only child. We used to live together. We love cooking together. My dad works in marketing. We stay in touch. We don't see each other often. She drives me crazy. We always make up.
Perfect. Try using them this week when you talk or write about your family.
And if you liked this episode, subscribe, leave a like, and share it. It really helps our little studio grow.
Another cozy chat done. Time for a snack break.
You read my mind. See you all next week.